We're about 200 feet above the city at the Morro Castle fortress, overlooking the entrance to Havana harbor. In 1762, the British, attacking by land, took Havana, then gave it back to the Spanish a year later in a swap for Florida. In 1774, King Carlos of Spain, as a deterrent and to improve defenses in the event of another attack, completed massive improvements to the fortress. Since then, although the cannon had never been fired in anger, the fortress has been put to use as a notorious prison by the Spanish and every subsequent ruler, up to and certainly including the Castro regime. Every evening at 9 o'clock, there's a cannon ceremony. It's symbolic, a tourist attraction really, but enjoyable and dramatic in that way.
Se ejecutarán los fuegos de cañón y cerrarán las puertas de esta fortaleza. San Carlos de la Ca-
Tócate los oídos. Tócate los oídos. Ahí. Ve la punta del cañón, ve la punta del cañón.
So that was the cannon show for this mild but somewhat windy February evening. We certainly hope that you enjoyed it. As you can see, we've returned to the Hotel Nacional because we have another full day scheduled for tomorrow. Though tempted, we'll skip an after-dinner drink and settle for an abbreviated walk through the hotel's History Hall before heading up to bed.